Níl muid a chalár mí mórtach ceirtá fólama an go dtí seo sa trá. Cétá déanana dul chun cín, cétá chun deire agus cinnte churbhééis ag seo ar fad ar chríomh na bliana seo. Is léir gona tipadaí ar thorgá chríomh ile éireann as a chéad uacha go chéadúra 964 agus 965 agus ar an sathairn chuir siad fáilte rih Kilchonne is stáid simple.
I think the game's been very good. I suppose big talking point to Tipperary have probably gone way ahead of the pack really. Slow start by Kilkenny. We're the only team that hasn't scored a goal yet in the league. Cork really look like they've had one very good match against Clare, but look to be in trouble. But overall very competitive. Waterford really building as well and finding a few players. So all in all, it's about teams finding some new players, and Waterford have done well on that. Tipperary definitely have done very well.
Stephen O'Brien in Ishigus, Bishop Dacrin Farsa stop. I'd
say Michael Ryan is pinching himself, because he has to be very, very happy with the progress, and I think definitely their style of play and their confidence and their ease of getting scores. I mean, we all know how good John O'Dwyer is and Noel McGrath, but now John McGrath really has taken off to be probably the next superstar. They're playing all these matches without Seamus Callan, arguably the best hurler in the year, but their ability to take scores and to see movement, and they'll bring that surely onto the championship, and looks like they want to win the league, and it's great preparation for them.
They face Kilkenny next. How do you expect that one to go?
Yeah, that's under lights on Saturday night, and definitely Tipperary want to lay down a marker there as well. Kilkenny really have been slow starting, and but came into form last Sunday against Cork. TJ and Richie in the half-hour line will be a big threat for them, and they need to be on top of their game. I would say their goal threat has diminished somewhat. So yeah, it'll be a very, very good match. Kilkenny, they need probably to get another set of points on the board to make sure of a quarter-final. But Tipperary won't want to give up any inch to Kilkenny. Definitely such a rivalry between the two camps. So yeah, that's going to be a brilliant match.
Which teams do you think might be in trouble towards the latter stages of the league?
Yeah, it looks like Cork really. I think in fairness they're working hard to Kieran Kingston and the management team. They're working very hard with this group of players and have some talent coming through. Luke Meade would be a new player. Kingston's son, doing very, very well at wing forward for them. But I think physically they're going to struggle, and they have a very tough assignment in the championship. I think they'll probably be in relegation bother because they're playing Waterford next Sunday. It'd probably be a shootout with themselves and Dublin or maybe Clare. But if Clare get over Dublin, you could see maybe a Wexford Clare quarter final, and that brings his own razzmatazz.